Hi, I'm Matt Mowry, editor of Business New Hampshire Magazine. Congratulations to everyone for their success on the Better You program. As for me, I never thought that when I ended the program after 3 months that I would be where I am today. And that's down 45 pounds, which I'm pretty darn proud of and couldn't have done without the help of this program. And just to show you how far I've gone, this is the belt I started with during the program. And this is on the very first notch, and it was straining when I was part of the program. And now, it can go all the way to the last notch and over my other belt. So I can't even use it as a belt anymore. The pants I'm wearing, I couldn't even fit into 3 months ago. So thank you so much to the Better You program for helping me get on this path. Thank you to Audra Burns from the American Heart Association, who called me to ask me if I'd be part of the program and blog about it. When she called me, she didn't mention things like detox and kicking your butt, but I'm glad she didn't because I might have been scared away, and I'm thrilled with the results. A huge thank you to Tricia Benton, my coach, for inspiring me and supporting me throughout the program. And of course, a big thank you, my little Oscar moment here, to the American Heart Association's Better You Challenge, sponsored by Harvard Pilgrim Healthcare of New England in partnership with the Genovix Wellness Network's 90-day Commit to Get Fit program. I don't use this phrase lightly. This has changed my life, so thank you so much.